Welcome back or welcome to Cardi Made It. So today is going to be a little quick tutorial and also the start of my new Cricut beginner series. So I just want to help people who may not understand how to do certain things. You know, I just want to make this whole process of having a Cricut and trying to create projects, I just want to make it a little bit simpler. So yeah, watch my video and hopefully I can teach you something. So today I would like to show you all how to download fonts off of dafont.com. And dafont is spelled DAFONT, dafont.com. And dafont is just basically this website full of fonts, and they are free now. They're free, but there is a limitation on the free use of some of them, and I'll explain that in a minute. Here is the home page of dafont.com. You have these categories. So we have a fancy, foreign look, techno, bitmap, gothic, basic, script, and dingbacks, and holiday. Those are the 9 categories, and then underneath them they have different subcategories. So if you go to fancy and you hit comic, it'll show you all the little fonts that you might see in like a comic strip, maybe in a newspaper. That's cute. And if you hit curly, it'll show you a bunch of fonts with little curls on the end. That is cute. Pretty girl scripts. That is so cute. And if you hit western, it'll show you all types of fonts like that you would see maybe on one of those old western wanted posters. So yeah, it's not hard to find the style of font that you want. My favorite is the script category because that's where I go to calligraphy and I get all my nice cursive fonts. Cursive is my favorite. So yeah, real pretty. So a lot of times I see people asking, hey, what's this font? And I say, just remake it with something similar instead of spending all day trying to recreate what somebody else created exactly to a T. You can just download a similar font and make it your own, and it'll be your own little style. So yeah. So when it comes to the limitations on the fonts, some are free for personal use, some will say demo, some are 100% free, and then some are shareware. So I will go to foreign look to just try to explain this a little bit better. If you look right above the download button, it'll let you know, hey, this is 100% free, this is demo, this is free for personal use. Now you can still download all of those. It's just that what you're legally able to do, like if you download somebody's font, because these are still the author's property. So let's say you download somebody's font and it's free for personal use, like this one. This one says free for personal use. When you click on it, it will tell you this is for personal use only. Do people still download it and use it anyway? Yes, they do. People don't care. People will still download these fonts and use them in whatever they're creating and sell them. But you're not supposed to. So when it says personal use, free for personal use, 9 times out of 10, they'll have a link where you can go and, purchase another version for commercial use. But yeah, so when you go to the ones that are demo, let me see, this one says demo, and I'm just using the foreign look for an example. So it'll say no promotional or commercial use allowed. So they don't want you to use this for commercial use at all, and you have to basically contact the author before any promotional or commercial use. And they have terms and conditions so that Ignorance is not an excuse for breaking the law. So just because you don't know, no, I don't want to translate my page from Indonesia. I don't. That's not. We have an English version, but yeah, yeah. So ignorance is not an excuse for breaking the law. Just because you didn't know and you use it anyway, if these people come to sue you, they have every right. So I'm gonna go back. So yeah, and when you go to one that says 100% free, it's just gonna be the font. Like, you can download this, use it forever you want. There's no limitations. You can use it personally, you can use it commercially, whatever you feel the need to do. Alright, so I just wanted to explain that. I have seen people use, I have never seen anybody sue, but you know, you could be the first one. But people use these fonts commercially, even though they don't. Even though they say they're for personal use, people don't listen. But hey, that's them. If that's the risk they want to take, cool. But anyway, on to the tutorial, because I just been running my mouth. Alright, so I'm gonna go to a script because I want a script font, a calligraphy script font. Alright, so on to the tutorial of downloading the actual font and how to get it on your computer. So basically what you're gonna do, make sure you have Design Space closed. If you download this font and you have Design Space open, it's not gonna show up. You won't see it until you close Design Space out and after you downloaded the font. Alright, so I want Samantha. This is Samantha right here. It's free for personal use. So I'm not supposed to technically use this on anything I'm selling. So you go to download and you'll click on this. It'll either say true type font file or open. I forgot what the other. It say open type. It'll say something about open, but it's either gonna be this one or that one. Sometimes it's both. I usually click on true type. After you click on it, you'll hit install. And then you can close it out. So that was Samantha. And then let me see if I can find something that's 100% free and cute. Also, a good way to decide if you're going to like a font is to go ahead and utilize this preview box, where you can type whatever you want in there. So I put my name. Cardi made it. I want to show 100 fonts, not 200 fonts at a time. And you can change the size. You want medium, large, small. And you can have it sorted by popularity, the name, or if it's just been placed on the website. So after you type in what you want to see in the preview box, you just hit submit. And now you can see exactly what you want written and what it's supposed to look like. So I think this is really cute. Alright, so I will go to download. And once I download, it just pops up automatically for me. Sometimes it'll come up at the bottom of the screen. If it doesn't pop up automatically, you'll have to click on it. I think it did that when I was using the laptop. So yeah, after you hit download, it is now downloaded onto your computer. You will go to click on the one that says true type font file. I double click and hit install. And now it is on your computer. Alright, so now you want to see if it actually is on Design Space. So now you go and open Design Space up. It will be downloading an update now of all times. Alright, so once you open a new project in Cricut and you add text, I'll put my name, of course. You'll hit the drop down arrow and you'll go to system. And you can just to shortcut all of this, you go to search fonts and you start typing in the name of what you just downloaded. And boom, you don't even have to type in the whole word. So there it is. And if you know, and with Design Space, of course, your cursive letters are not gonna come already put together. You have to move it. I do have a tutorial on this. If you need an updated one, let me know. Let me make sure both of them made it. Samantha, what was the other one? Valen something. Yeah, hello, Valentika. Alright, and that's that. So yeah, both of my fonts were downloaded and are in Design Space. And that's just really how simple it is. Comment down below if I have been helpful to you. And thank you so much for watching. And let me know what other videos you would like to see. Bye.